Hello, I'm Mimo Bagheri, and in this video I want to show you how to deploy other nodes in your NSXT cluster through your NSXT Manager console. Beside Node, despite you can run your NSX Manager on KVM as well, you should do it by CLI, and also if you want to deploy another nodes into cluster in KVM, you should do it by CLI interface. So let's continue the process. For this purpose, first you need to register your vCenter in your NSXT. Here, under System menu, under Fabric, you should go to Compute Manager and register your vCenter. Or you can see my last video to understand how you can deploy vCenter here. Okay, for deploy the other nodes, you should go to System Appliance menu. Here, as you see, you just have one node here, and for adding another node, you need to click Add NSX Appliance here and continue these steps to achieve this purpose. So here you can input your NSXT hostname. I put it NSXT2.net-high-tech.com. Now you need to import your IP, gateway. As you see here, the DNS server and NTP server already exist because it reads this option from the old one. And now you need to select your node size here. I select a small one and click next. In this page, you can select other options related to the configuration process. For example, choosing the cluster, compute cluster. I choose the compute and management. Resource pool, I don't have any resource pool yet. You can select the host under your cluster as well. I select host 2. You should select the data store that you want to install your nodes into it. I select this one. And you can select the virtual disk format here. I select the team provision, but if you want to run your NSXT under your production level, production case, it's better to select another option like tick provision, lazy zeroed or eager zeroed. Here you can select your port group. I selected this one. Click next. Here you need to import your password and enable the SSH and root access as well. Here I need to import a strong password. I have it and just I need to paste it here. Don't forget this point. You need to or you should import a strong password here. For admin and audit credential users, you can use same as root password as well. And after did all of steps, you can click install appliance, and here you can see NSXT2 is installing. And you can see on vCenter page 2, the NSXT2 is deploying here. So this process takes a long time, and I pause the video and resume after the process is completed. As you can see, it's done, and now we have 2 nodes here. Okay, remember, NSXT is an SDN-based solution, so it has 3 planes, which are management, controller, and data planes. And in NSX, you have controller and management plane in same virtual machine. So when you deploy NSXT management node in your infrastructure, you will automatically get NSX controller as well. So in this scenario, we have 2 nodes. So we have 2 management and 2 controller planes. And if we deploy another one, we have 3 management and 3 controller in same cluster. Here we can see set virtual IP item. So each nodes in cluster has own IP address. So you can set the virtual IP to connect to your NSX environment instead of using each node's IP. For doing that, you just need to click to set virtual IP and insert your VIP address here and click save. So I did it. This process might take time, so I will be back after it's completed. It's done. So you can connect to your NSX with this IP. I copy this IP and insert in my browser, and I connect to NSXT with VIP address, and that's it. Okay, I think. Okay. Done. Remember, NSX recommends us to install 3 nodes in cluster. So in your production environment, you need to install 3 nodes. And that's it. Thank you for watching me. You can follow my NSX video in my YouTube channel and LinkedIn mentioned in caption. Have a good day. Bye-bye.